Welcome to 619 Anvil Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home located in Fredericksburg, Virginia. This home is listed by MacDoc Property Management. Let's go take a look inside. This is the living room. Main floor laundry room. Dining room. The kitchen. And the half bathroom. Let's go upstairs. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom. The full bathroom. And then the primary bedroom. If you're interested in this property or want to see our other available properties, please visit our website at www.macdocrentals.com. That is www.macdocrentals.com. Thank you for watching 619 Anvil Road in Fredericksburg, Virginia.